Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about converting a carport into a fully finished kitchen. We'll walk homeowners through the entire process, from the initial planning, permits, and structural requirements to plumbing, electrical, insulation, and final finishes. This is a project we recently completed, and we're excited to show homeowners how it all came together. Step 1. What happens after the contract is signed? Once the contract is signed, here's exactly what happens next. Many homeowners believe construction begins right away, but there are several important steps before the first hammer swings. Let's walk through the very first phase after the contract is signed: finalizing the design. The first step homeowners take with us is finalizing the design. This is one of the most important stages because it transforms the homeowner's ideas into a detailed, buildable plan. At this stage, our design team works closely with the homeowner to ensure the new layout aligns with their vision, lifestyle, and functional needs, while meeting all architectural and building code requirements. We begin by meeting with the homeowner, either in person or virtually, to define their goals and how they plan to use the space. Questions include: what's the main goal for this project? How should the space feel and function? Is an open concept preferred or defined areas? What are the must-have features, finishes, and appliances? For example, if converting a garage or carport into a kitchen, we'll discuss whether the homeowner wants gas or electric cooking, a large island, storage needs, and whether natural light or privacy matters more. Once we fully understand the homeowner's vision, our designer prepares several layout options so different ways to maximize the space can be compared. After the preferred concept is chosen, detailed floor plans and 3D visualizations are developed, so the homeowner can clearly see how the new kitchen, addition, or remodeled space will look before construction begins. Then we collaborate with the homeowner, making adjustments based on feedback. During this stage, we also provide professional recommendations on flow, storage, lighting, and design balance, while ensuring everything complies with local codes. Design timeline. The duration of this step depends on how quickly decisions are made and how many revisions are needed. Most projects take 4 to 12 weeks, shorter for simple layouts, longer for more custom or detailed designs. Note: at this stage, the design is strictly between the homeowner and contractor. Full architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing plans come next. In Step 2, we prepare the complete set of plans needed for submission to Fairfax County for review and approval. Why homeowners choose DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling? Looking for a reliable, stress-free contractor who delivers quality and value? We specialize in home additions, full remodels, kitchens, bathrooms, and complete design-build projects, making your project smooth, organized, and worry-free. Call us at 703-980-3266 or book your free virtual consultation in the description. We'll review your project, answer questions, and guide you on the next steps at no cost. Top reasons homeowners choose us: free design consultation, transparent itemized estimates, licensed and insured in DC, Maryland, and Virginia, permit and inspection handling, dedicated project manager, 3D design and visualization, high-quality craftsmanship, on-time, on-budget completion, clean, organized job sites, 100% satisfaction guarantee. We take pride in every detail because we treat your home like our own. Thanks for watching. If homeowners enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We look forward to helping make their home more beautiful, functional, and valuable.